welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista. I'm a stay-at-home mom to two little boys who are almost 3. He'll be 3 next month. I cannot believe that. And then I have a 6-month-old. And today we are tackling just as much as we can. I'm not gonna lie, my house is a complete wreck. If you follow me, then you know that I struggle with anxiety and depression, and when I get into those depressive or emotional states, the house just takes its toll, and it shows that I'm in that emotional state, and that just happens to be what happened. But we need to get this house back in order. So I'm gonna do a little bit of decorating, moving things around, gonna do some cleaning, organizing the fridge, cleaning the living room, and I'm gonna bring you along with me. So let's get started. Living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. So this is what the kitchen's looking like right now. Got clothes at the floor. Clean dishes to put up, dirty dishes to wash. Put up our K-pods. And right here, I'm about to do a whole overhaul. And then you come into the living room. There's Parker's potty that we've been leaving in here. Toys everywhere. Jared's little setup because he's had his knee surgery and been stuck on the couch. So let's get started. So this is what it looks like right now. Just a bunch of crap everywhere. So let's get started in organizing this. And to organize, I have a bunch of these bins right here that we're gonna try. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with my fridge. So I'm just taking out pretty much everything. I had a lot of vegetables that needed to be thrown out because we didn't use it all, like some zucchini, and in the back I take out that spinach because it's bad. And then I'm just gonna put it all into some bins, which you will see here in a second, and try to get this thing organized. As you can see, we have a lot of applesauce. It's one of our favorite snacks that we have. Jared likes the cinnamon applesauce, and I like the strawberry applesauce. So that's like our little nighttime snack. Every night we take like 2 or 3 applesauces, not even gonna lie, at a time, and eat them. That's how much we're obsessed.
The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything, with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. Don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything, with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this?
So now that we have the refrigerator kind of looking a whole lot better, honestly, I'm just gonna get started with our table, which, like I've said in previous videos, this is like a catch-all. We don't eat a lot here, so we just put everything right here that just needs to go other places, honestly, but just ends up on our kitchen table. So I'm just gonna clean that off, give it a good wipe down, and get to the rest of the kitchen.
Dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame. We're drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away? We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, oh, oh.
Now we are going to put up the clean dishes that is sitting there in the drying rack and get the dirty dishes that are in the sink cleaned up. This is honestly like my least favorite chore of the house. I hate doing dishes with a passion. I would much rather do laundry than dishes because it just grosses me out. I don't know why.
I don't understand why you're thinking of you had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of you had me at a low. I don't understand why you're
girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to the...
Besides washing out the sink, my second favorite chore is probably washing off the stove, just because there's something very therapeutic about it. So getting all of the I'm sorry, but Jared is currently making funny faces at me while I'm trying to do this voiceover, and so I can't pay attention to what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm just going to throw some clothes that were in the washing machine. As you can see, our washing machine is like off kilter or something. I don't know what's wrong. We have to get a new washing machine. But anyways, putting those in the dryer, and then I'm going to put some dirty clothes in the washing machine, but I'm not going to start it yet because I can still fill up some more in the washing machine before I start anything.
Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
To pick up my constant mess of a living room, I'm just going to start off by moving our jumperoo that I put Ollie in. I always pull it over closer to the couch and to where Parker plays, because we like having him close to us, and that's his favorite toy right now is his jumperoo. So that's why that's there, and I always move it at the end of the day. And then I'm just going to pick up all of the mess that my toddler makes.
Standing in a corner, I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old.
And now we are just going to work on some decorations. I have this table that's next to Parker's room that I just want to put some decorations on. So I took the decorations that was on one of our end tables and put it right here, and then moved some stuff that was on the kitchen counter and I put it back on the end table. I just think it looks a lot better this way. The big long table that I just decorated, it did not have anything on it, and so it just kind of became a catch-all for like missing socks or shoes or anything like that. And I just wanted to make it look more inviting and more homey, so that's what I did there. So now I'm just going to make up the couches so that it feels like it's actually clean in my living room. I feel like the living room is not completely clean until I make up the couches.
And it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby,
And that's going to be the end of this video. I hope that I gave you a little bit of motivation. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.
It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.